Your forecast accuracy might say 85% and still be failing your business. I see this all the time. Leadership sees a forecast accuracy number in the 80s and assumes planning is solid. But when you look underneath, the picture changes. One product family might be consistently over-forecasted by 20%, while another is under-forecasted by 30%. Those errors cancel each other out, and suddenly the average looks great. Meanwhile, inventory is growing in the wrong places, service issues keep popping up, and planners are firefighting. The missing metric here isn't more accuracy reporting, it's forecast bias. Bias tells you how wrong you're being in the same direction over time. If you're not tracking bias by product or customer, that 85% number is giving you false confidence. Accuracy tells you how close you were. Bias tells you whether you're learning. If you want planning to improve, you need both. I'm Michelle with Streamline Consulting Group, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. Let's fix the flow and grow your business. Subscribe, like, and share for more streamlined insights.